in the East Valley, strong winds are believed to have forced an ADOT sign to come crashing down on Rural Road near the US 60. Our Vinton Blandon caught up with the driver who captured the frightening moments on camera.
Mazzy Kyoto took a few minutes off the road to talk with ABC 15 after getting a surprise while driving in Tempe.
Bro, what the is just fell down in front of me right now? Ooh.
He shared video of what surprised him in the northbound lane of Rural Road near US 60 Wednesday afternoon.
Literally right in front of me, the sign fell. You know, this is a heavy traffic area. Luckily, no one was hurt.
Kyoto, who was in the middle of delivering food, told us he did not notice anyone crossing the street or walking on the sidewalk nearby.
It was a big noise that just, like all the cars kind of just stopped when it dropped, but yeah, it was a big noise. That's all I heard.
ADOT crews blocked the northbound lanes of Rural Road to help keep people from driving underneath the fallen traffic sign.
That's crazy. I've never seen like this before in my life, so it's just, I was like, I'm gonna send this to ABC 15 because I'm like, it's just different, you know?
ADOT crews expect to have the traffic back to normal in time for Thursday's morning drive. In Tempe, Vincent Blandon, ABC 15, Arizona.
Really lucky no one was hurt. Meantime,